Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Vladblad Ultron pen. Although perhaps best known for its core machines, Vladblad has produced various rotaries over the years, culminating in its latest offering, the Ultron pen. So let's take a closer look. The Vladblad Ultron pen is a cartridge-dedicated pen-style rotary tattoo machine that is lightweight and great for various styles. Powering the Ultron pen is a 7-watt motor, with the rotary machine featuring an ergonomic, autoclavable grip at one end and a protected RCA connection on the other. Vladblad has designed the mechanism of the Ultron pen in such a way that it is returned to its initial position by the motor, rather than the spring. This helps prevent the delay in a needle going out of the skin when using cartridges with a soft membrane. It also allows artists to work at low speeds, even with cartridges that have a hard membrane. The Vladblad Ultron pen has a stroke length of 3.5mm. However, thanks to the aforementioned mechanism, the Ultron pen works with shadows as softly as if it had a 2.7 to 3.5mm stroke, while also being capable of creating steady outlines as if the stroke length was between 3.7 and 4.2mm. Thanks to the light weight of the Ultron pen and the mechanism inside, it's easier than ever to feel the skin and control how deep you push the needle in when working. The Vladblad Ultron pen is perfect for all types of tattooing styles, from thin, delicate lines to fast, solid packing with large groups of needles. Depending on what you're tattooing, we recommend the following working voltages: 7 to 9 volts for thin outlines, 8 to 10 for thick lines, between 6.5 and 9 volts for black and grey work or colour realism, 8.5 to 10 for colour packing, 6 to 7 for dot work, and between 6 and 9 volts for whip shading. Designed in Russia, the Vladblad Ultron pen is compatible with cartridges from all major brands and is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Vladblad Ultron pen, what do you think of it? Will it be your next pen style tattoo machine? As always, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.